Welcome to YJ tutorial, and today I'm going to show you unboxing of the boAt headset. So I ordered this from Flipkart some days before, and the pricing is 999, but I get this for 500 Indian rupees. uh, in the box you will get the warranty card, the manual stuff, and earpiece, some extra buds, and the headphone itself. It sounds really nice for the pricing, but comparing to Skull Canyon JBL for the same pricing, I think that really sounds great. But microphone is too good. It's really nice, uh, and apart from that, for the pricing, this was perfect for me. But if you almost daily hear songs and all that stuff, then you should probably get some other headphones. Okay, so that's it. If and the cable length is, you can see the box, the cable length is 120 centimeter, so that's really good, and speaker size is 10 mm. Apart from that, the design is different, and that's it. So let me know if you require any further details about this. So, thanks for watching.